Inspiration can come from anywhere. We're constantly absorbing ideas from the world around us. That's what artists do. And cabinet making is an art. Craftsmanship that takes time, it takes skill, it takes patience. And sometimes when you least expect it, an idea is born. Embodied by a wild American heritage, evoking the very spirit of craftsmanship. The Appaloosa Finish Collection by Yorktowne. Even though we may have 21st century technology in our modern factories, a truly unique piece of art requires a tried and true technique. We use our hands, every chisel, every dent, every edge, from start to completion, intricately constructing every detail, making each piece unique, just like the craftsperson who creates it. The result, truly handcrafted cabinetry, constructed and finished to last the test of time and for generations to come. Yorktowne, rich in style, deep in spirit.